Dog versus lizard. We're gonna make this unfair. There you go. Dog versus lizard. Boston. He's out of it. Oh, we got him weak. Got him weak. Get him. Get him. Get him. Boston. 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 God. Oh, he got stunned. What's up, Lindo? You alright, baby? You alright, baby? You alright? You alright, Lindo? Come on. Alright. Come on. You okay? Come over here. He took a chunk out this thing. Let me see. You okay? You okay, baby? He got you good. Dog got it. Lizard won. Lizard beat dog. Lizard beat dog. Now you win. Now you win life, baby. Man, took the dog out like that. Where he bite you in your nose, fool? He must have got him in the nose. It was all fun and games until the lizard bit him. That's wrong, Papa. You let that lizard beat your ass. Not cool. All right, now. Lizard wins. You get your life back, homie.